Oh my. It feels short. It feels really short. Is it supposed to feel like that?
Yep.
Did you go shorter than what I told you?
I don't think so.
Oh my god.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're fine. It'll grow back. That's what I'm gonna tell myself. I look like cousin it. You keep me shining. Ah. Hey guys. And party every day.
And my scissors just sucks.
It's all good. You said you have your thinning scissors too, right?
Yeah, when I find the bottom of it.
Yeah, because this crap is thick. I'm about to lose 10 pounds. Oh. Ooh. See, it's still long. A little bit.
Not even.
A little bit.
Still gonna see boobs.
Yeah, see, it touched my little hips. Little hips. Oh, it feels lighter. See, it's not that bad. It's so thick though.
I think that thinning shears is in my other bag.
I had to get that blonde out of my hair because still a little bit of color in it. I do not like that light color. Oh no, I can't touch it. I keep slinging it around like it's long. It is long, but it ain't long. Okay. Hey now, be careful. Look at all my hair on the floor. Oh my god. It's about to be 5 more pounds now because you're about to thin it out. What y'all doing?
These are the ones that.
My sister don't want to be in my live. Stay with her. It's okay. It's actually a little bit above my boob. Hello, man. No. Hey, whoever spilled that food, pick it up. Thank you. I saw this thing on Facebook. It was a real video. And he like, he like took the front and twisted it and then chopped it.
With the thinning shears?
Yeah. What does that do?
I don't know. I've never done that before.
If y'all can see her struggling with trying to comb it, you see why I'm doing this. Oh, this hair. Oh, this hurt.
There. All the paint in there.
Oh, that feels so much better already. Less kinks in my neck. Not short, just here.
It's heavy.
It's heavy. She's about to rip my hair out. Ow, I just stumped my toe. That hurt.
Wait, wait.
Oh my god. It looks like a whole animal on the ground. Like a cat.
What's that feel to you?
Oh, it feels like heaven. That feels so much better compared to this. Oops, I got you in the camera a little bit. It's okay. I took you out. Yeah, that feels a lot better. It doesn't feel as like bulky.
Yeah. It's thick, that's for sure.
Yeah, it's thick. Even cutting it and thinning it out don't do no work. Because it's going to be just as thick tomorrow. Watch, when I wash it, it's going to go like whoosh.
I wish I had a little bit thicker hair.
Oh, don't get me wrong. It's nice having thick hair. It's just heavy and hot.
Yeah.
That's why I'm like, this got to go. I'm sick of it. Like, when I was younger, yeah, that's nice. But no. Mm-mm. And then the work I do, like, I had it in a ponytail last week. And I didn't braid it. I just had it in a ponytail. So it, like, still moves around. And it's like this big poof. And I'm leaning over to get in a patient's mouth. And my hair just moves over and touches her arm. And I'm like, oh, no, first of all, Rona. Second of all, she probably don't like my hair being on her. So, I was like, oh, I'm sorry. Oops. And, yeah. And then, like I was saying in the other video, like, I put it on top of my head in a bun. And it's so heavy it just falls. Or I get a headache. There was one morning I put it in like a bun like right here. So it wasn't on top, it was like right in the back. It was so cute. I'm in the car riding to work and I already had a headache. I said, nope, taking it out.
Why does it give you a headache like that?
It's so heavy.
It's just heavy.
It's heavy. And then it pulls. So it's just heavy.
Come on now. Don't be like that. Why don't you give Zeke a little kiss?
Oh, that's okay.
Hey, Zeke don't take no for an answer.
Ooh, look at my roots.
I know, see that.
I need to. Oh, okay.
Does that mean your hair is lighter than the rest of this?
Yep. Well, because when I got the blonde put in it, I got it darker at the top. So I got it darker at the top with the blonde on the bottom. Or the honey on the bottom, whatever you want to call it. So my hair is a little bit lighter. Not that much, you can't really tell. But it's like a shade lighter than black.
It's a lot of hair.
Oh my god. Like, that is a lot of hair. But you know, they don't have a donation place around here no more. Or not in Savannah. Because last time, remember like, when we cut it off into the bob, like real short? Remember?
I think you have to take it in there long.
Well, yeah. I'm saying, like, when we cut, like, the first time we cut it, and it was, like, this much, it was a whole ponytail.
Oh, yeah.
I kept it for months. I could never find a place to donate it to. Like, they don't have one in Savannah, so I could never donate it.
Oh.
But it was this long. Because that's when my hair was down past my butt. And I cut it all off. It's just too much. It looks so much healthier when it's like this. All that blonde was ugly. Like, it wasn't ugly. It was cute, but I like to wake up and let my hair do what it does. And to have blonde in it, you gotta maintenance blonde.
Oh, yeah.
Like, if you don't do nothing to it, it just looks like looks like a tree.
I'll let you fix mine.
Fix yours what?
I cut mine the other day by myself, and it's all uneven because I couldn't get it back.
Oh, well, I can do it. I'm gonna let my bangs keep growing. Ow, that one hurt. Let my bangs keep going. Man, I ain't never cutting no Chinese bangs again. I'll tell you that. I ain't cutting bangs at all. I like it. Well, maybe like a layered bang. I don't know.
Wow, that's a lot of hair.
I like it. Look at your hair, girl. Did you just wet it?
No.
Did you wash it last night?
No. Washed it yesterday.
Oh, that's not. Okay. Can I brush it?
No.
No? Okay, fine. Lola, you go over there. Back up. I like Cheetah on me. I believe you. Back up. I know you probably think it's an animal. Move.
Looks like an animal, huh?
It does. Look. Lola, come over here. Hey, mamas. I got you a sister back there. You got a sister. We're going to take that home.
Wait, who?
The animal that's on the ground.
Oh.
My hair. No, I'm just playing. You want to say hello? Say hi. Hi, people. We need to take the trash out. I'll do it for you.
I'll do it.
Girl, that trash bigger than you.
I'll do it.
Hey, Jayla.
Daddy said he'll come get his spring time. The pink one.
Yeah, let's. Lola, stop. Don't go back there. Look. Yep. Say hey to Jayla. Because, girl, it is heavy. Move. Hold on. Back up. Back up, girl. It's heavy and hot. And I had some blonde in the bottom of it. Well, it wasn't fully blonde, but it was blonde. Hey, is this what you want? Here, come on. Come on. Fatso. Now stay over there. Go. This girl wants some chips.
Yeah.
Look straight, but really stiff.
Okay. But yeah. It was just looking raggedy. Because you know I want to straighten my hair, so. It only looks good when it's straight. Thank you. Oh, you told me to look straight. Are we going to that place today? Because you said they open at 1? So we can go there. Let me see. I can probably leave like, I'll probably leave at like 3. Get back home around 5 so I can go do what I gotta do at home, get ready for work. They're gonna be like, why you cut your hair? Because oh, that feels so good. Keep playing with it. I know, I can like, oh, I can move my head.
Okay, now you can come fix mine.
Oh, I gotta get used to this. How does it look like with the ends having blonde in it?
That's not bad.
It don't look bad.
Looks like you got tips.
Like, does it still look like ombre? Not as much. Yeah, it don't look that bad. Dang. It's short though. It's like, since you wet it, it's starting to poof up. Let's see if I can put it in a ponytail. Yeah, I can. I can put mine. Ew! No! I don't like it. Yeah, we ain't putting it in a ponytail. We gonna put it like in a little bun. We gonna put it in a bun, not in a ponytail. Isn't that weird? Oh, it's so thin. Okay, yeah. See, that's cuter. I can't put it in no low ponytail though. It looks like a little tail. Oh, that feels better though. I don't know. Whatever. All right. It's gone. Ah, look at all of it on the floor. Dang, girl. That's a whole head right there. Anybody want some hair? Ah, that's funny.